So this video is for the managing other users. So within the application, this is the home screen. We go to the menu on the top left, click on the hamburger. We go down to manage other users. So this is a premium subscription function that this is the core for the collaboration. So if you see at the top, Edward Martin is our deceased. And I and other family members can actually work on this. So currently we have my brother Joe, my sister Jane, my brother Luke are all users. Joe is the master user. I'm logged in as Joe. So here, if we want to add another user, we're going to add our sister Rena. We click on the little person with the plus sign down at the bottom right, and that takes us to the invite screen. And then here in the invite new user screen, first we type in Rena's email, Rena airlist.com. Oh. So we type in Rena's email. Make sure you type in the invitee's email correctly. If not, they'll never get a notification and the database won't allow them to join. So one thing also remember, let me first type her name in. So all users who are in collaboration all have to be premium users. So here we see we have Rena's email entered in correctly. We have her first name and last name, and those aren't as important because she's going to re-enter those when she registers. And then we have the permission she wants. So do we want her to be write? Do we want her to be read-only? Or do we want her to be the new master? So let's have her have write capabilities. And so everything's entered in correctly. We hit the invite user, and an invitation was just emailed to her. And this takes us back to the manage other user screen. So inside the other manage user screen, there's current users, which is Joe, Jane, and Luke. And then you click to the right of where users is and you see pending invitations. And that shows you the pending invitation to Rena. Now, given that we're the master user and we can see this, we could swipe left and it gives us a chance to either resend the invitation if for some reason didn't get it, it got caught in her spam, she accidentally deleted it, or we can actually delete the invitation and that would sever the invitation for her to join the deceased. If we go back to the other screen, since Joe is the master user, there's really nothing that we can do here for him. But Jane, who is our sister, we can decide, we don't want Jane on this anymore. We could go delete her. So swipe left, or we could click on that. It brings up her right. We could change her to read only. Click on that. And this takes us back to the main screen. And you can see she's just been changed to read only. Just the same way, we could go to Luke and we could click on him. If you look to the top right, there's a little trash can. So we could actually delete him as a user if we so chose. But here we're going to change him to having write capabilities. And in both cases, they're going to be sent a email that says Joe Martin has changed your permissions with respect to the Airlist application. So that is the core of the manage other users. And if you're working with a number of people, I think you'll find the collaboration to be an extremely useful function in the application, as all of you can use this as a single kind of command center to consolidate decisions, assign work, keep notes, and track stuff. And it's all available on people's phones, so it's very convenient. Thank you.